If you were asked what hairstyle this is, would you say they are twist or would you say they are dreads? I've been making this hairstyle for the last 2 months and I can guarantee you that this is the best hairstyle for hair retention and hair growth. This hairstyle promotes hair growth, makes you retain length very, very fast and reduces hair shedding. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make loosed fluffy twists for hair retention, not just for retention, but hairstyle that you can take out to work, to church, to anywhere. They are stylish, they are good for retaining length, they are good for protective hairstyles, they are also good for hair growth. Welcome on board, and in few minutes I'm going to be teaching you how to make this hairstyle in less than 2 hours. Like you guys, I'm not even kidding you. I made this hairstyle in less than 2 hours. Let's get started without wasting much time. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Peace, and if you're new here, this is where we do everything hair care, natural hair care, afro hairstyling and all of that. I teach this with all all of my heart because this is what I am good at. So if I were you, I would hit that button right now and give this video a like, and share this video to as many other girls out there. Also subscribe to the channel if you are new here. What I'm doing here is just prepping the hair. This video has been divided into various timestamps, so if you don't see the need to watch this part, you can actually move to the next part that you need. My hair is washed, freshly washed, deep conditioned, leave-in conditioned, and oiled, and all of that. You can see that from my hands how oily my hair is. Look at my hands. My hair is very, very, very moisturized. My hair drinks a lot of moisture, and I waste no time moisturizing it. Now what I'm doing is just prepping my hair, dividing it into sections. If you're not new here, if you're an OG here, you know that I always do this. It helps to manage the hair and also to make your hair not boring, so that it will be easy for you. Now we are going to proceed into making the twist. Section your hair into any part that you like, and then get a little section that you can work with. Start with braids if you can. If you are new here, always start with braids. Do not just go and start with twist. By doing that, it will be easy for you to lose the hair, to take down the hair. If you start directly with twist, when you want to take it down, the hair will be hard to take down. It's going to break and shed a lot. After braiding, divide the three strands into two strands so that you can start twisting, and twist very loosely as I am doing in this video. If you don't twist very loosely, it's not going to be fluffy. So just twist as loose as you can. When you get to the end of the hair, make it a bit tight so that it doesn't lose. And also you can start by making it a bit tight at the beginning, and then you continue by making it very, very fluffy. I'm going to be showing you very clearly in the next twist. So when I started twisting, I noticed that one side was loosed than the other, and I decided to make it fluffier because that was what I was aiming for. Like I've said before, always start with braids. Braids 6 to 8 or 10 braids, whatever you can work with. Here I didn't count the number of braids that I'm doing. Now divide the hair into two strands like I am doing, and start twisting very, very loosely. As you can see, look at my hands. I am twisting very, very loosely. If you don't twist loosely, you're going to spend much time there. The more loose your twists are, the less time you will spend. Okay, and that is what it looks like. Very, very simple. You can see that this part is fluffier than the other part. As soon as I noticed that this was not what I was going for, I quickly adjusted it. So that's what you're aiming for. Also note that the more moisturized your hair is, the fluffier your twists are. If you work on dry hair, your twist will not look like this. And also the texture of your hair determines how your hair will look. The texture of your hair and your hair type, as well as your hair porosity. My hair is high porosity and it is type 4B. Okay, that is why it is looking like that. Also my hair is quite stretched. I didn't spray in water like the other hairstyle that I did. Those of you that have watched the other loose twists I did, I sprayed water, but I didn't spray water in this. I just used leave-in conditioner and shea butter and oil. That is why it's looking like this. If you spray water, it's going to shrink a bit. Don't worry, the outcome of your twist doesn't really matter. Like I've said before, our hair type and our hair textures determine how it will look. But whatever outcome you have, just know that it's going to still look beautiful. I'm done with the first section. I'm just going to move on to the next section, and I will be showing you again what I did for those people that are slow learners. Okay. Now, I'm just going to do it again. After the braids, twist loosely. As you can see, I'm twisting very, very, very loosely. Do not be stingy with your twist. Make it very loose. This is what will make your hair fluffy and full. If you think that your hair is very thin, don't worry. This hairstyle will make your hair look very voluminous and look like you have high density. My hair is medium dense. Okay, it means that it is not low dense and it is not high dense. So it will give me the outcome that I want. Also, if you have this kind of my hair, you can see that my hair texture is somehow at the back it looks like 4B, at the middle it looks like 4C. So my hair is actually 4B, not 4C though. And this is what it looks like after I made the next section of hair. I already prepped out the sections and I'm just going to work with it, the braids, and then twist loosely. Kindly note that I'm doing this because of people that are slow learners so that you can fully grab it. The hairstyle is very simple and I spent less than 2 hours making it. It is good for retaining length as your scalp are not usually tight. Tension is low. Tension is not much, thereby making your hair grow out easily and also retaining your length. The maintenance of this hairstyle is very simple. All you have to do is to keep spraying water every time you want to moisturize your hair. Do not use oils on a dry hair. Moisturize your hair with water or conditioners before you use oil. And also sleep with a hair bonnet. What other thing can I say? I would say you should use hair growth oil. Rosemary oil works very well for me, so I would always recommend that to you. Or any hair growth oil that you have, it works well. Castor oil, olive oil, or whatever. Just use it 2 to 3 times a week, and you are good to go. This hairstyle can last from 2 weeks down to 6 weeks, depending on how you love your hair to look. Just know that the older it gets, the more beautiful it looks because it becomes to look like dreads. And then, I mean, I love that. I think you will too. Okay, this is where we are now. You can see how it's looking like. Very good. I'm doing next is just spraying water at the tip. My hair is due for a trim, but I don't want to trim it yet. So to make all of that not look obvious, I'm just going to go in with leave-in conditioner and water at the tip of my hair so that it doesn't look the way it's looking. You can see how it's looking. It's looking all shrinked at the end. Now I just want to say one last thing. When you are twisting, when you get to the end, just make it a bit tight, okay, so that it doesn't lose. Make it a bit tight so that it doesn't lose. And that's all. Very simple, fluffy, and easy to go. What do you think about this hairstyle? Let me know in the comment section. Drop your comments and tell me, ask me whatever question you want. Also, if you want me to recreate this hairstyle on a stretched hair without using water, let me know. Okay, because I feel like a lot of persons may not want to use water. So if you want me to make it on a very stretched hair, okay, just let me know and I will recreate the hairstyle. Let me know what you've learned in the comment section. Also, tell me where you are watching me from. I would really love to meet you guys in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value, kindly subscribe to my channel. It means you love this channel. Okay. If you're watching this video at this point in time, it means that you love this channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel and also share this video to other girls out there who would love to see this. Drop your comments in the comment section. Give this video a like, and I will see you in the next video. I love you, girls. Bye.